Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the BR-2000 and this is the Tennant 2370 corded electric burnisher. In this brief overview, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to keep it running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so a few things we're going to look over before operating the machine. Up top here at the handle, we're going to check out your safety locking buttons. We're going to make sure that those are not broke. Underneath those are your operating triggers. We're going to make sure those aren't broke as well. Now over here is the lever that raises and lowers your handle. You want to make sure that that's not broken. Right here is your circuit breaker. You want to make sure that that's not tripped or damaged in any way. And then we're going to take a look at your power cord. We're going to make sure that your power cord is not frayed or split or damaged in any way as well. Okay, coming down a little bit further, here is your cord holder. You want to make sure that that's not broken or damaged in any way. Plus, you can also rotate it to go down or up, whichever way you want to put your cord in. Now, while checking over your power cord, you're going to take a look at the end plug here. You're going to make sure that that's not damaged or burned or anything like that, and that your ground prong is still there. So right here is your knob that you adjust the pad pressure on. You want to make sure that that's not broken and that it spins freely. Okay, coming down a little bit further, we're going to take a look at the bag compartment here. Take a look at the locking mechanism. You want to make sure that that's not damaged or bent or broken. Take a look at the door. It's plastic. You want to make sure that that's not broken. Inside here, we're going to look at your bag. If it's full, go ahead and empty it out right there. Make sure there's no holes or tears in it. Down here, take a look at your wheels as well. Make sure there are no gouges and no flat spots in there either. So we have tilted the machine back so that we can take a look at the underside of the machine. Up here is your front caster wheel. You want to make sure that that spins freely and it's not broken or damaged. Right here is your dust control skirt. You want to make sure that that's not worn out in any way. Right here's your pad. You want to make sure that your pad's good and in good shape. Right here is your pad holder. You want to make sure that the top is not damaged or broken in any way. Also, take it off, pull your pad off. Right here is your pad driver. Make sure that that's not cracked or broken in any way. And there's the bottom half of your pad holder too. You want to make sure that that's not damaged. Now we can put your pad back on. And that about does it for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.